Log into Mitra App by entering your LAPU number and password. In the menu, click on Digital SIM Swap. A Customer Information tab will open. Enter the details of your customer. Post entering customers' details, on successful information match, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Now enter SIM number, IMSI number and reason for SIM swap. After this, upload the photo of your customer. Now comes the proof of identity. Click both the front and the back side of the proof of identity document. Make sure to enter the document number as well. Now enter the customer's alternate number and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on the alternate number. Post OTP verification on customer's number. Enter your, that is the promoter's number and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on promoter's number and click on the Submit button. Once employee verification gets approved, a new 4G SIM of the same number will get activated. Don't forget to inform your customer that due to security concern, SMS service will continue to function after 24 hours.